Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the landing page URL in Google Ads. This is particularly useful when you need to redirect your ad traffic to a different page, whether you're updating your website structure, running a new promotion, or simply optimizing your campaign performance. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, you need to locate the Campaigns menu on your left navigation bar. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage your campaign settings and performance. Go ahead and click on Campaigns to proceed. Once you've clicked on Campaigns, you'll see an expanded menu with several options. Now, look for the Audiences, Keywords, and Content dropdown. This section contains all the targeting and content settings for your campaigns, including the keywords you're bidding on and the URLs associated with them. Click on this dropdown to reveal more options. The menu will expand to show you additional choices. From these options, click on Keywords. This will take you to a page displaying all the keywords you're currently using in your campaigns. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to see and modify the landing pages associated with each keyword. Take a moment to review your keywords if needed, but our focus is on changing the landing page URL. Now, locate the column header named Final URL. This column shows the landing page URL for each of your keywords, which is the page users will be directed to when they click on your ad. Hover your cursor over the Final URL column header and you'll notice a small pen icon appear. This icon indicates that you can edit the URLs directly from this view. Click on the pen icon to begin editing your landing page URL. A text field will appear where you can modify the existing URL or enter a completely new one. Type in your new landing page URL, making sure it's accurate and leads to the correct page on your website. It's important to double-check the URL before saving to avoid any broken links or misdirected traffic. Once you've entered your new URL, click on Save to confirm the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your landing page URL in Google Ads. This simple change can have a significant impact on your campaign's effectiveness, ensuring your visitors land exactly where you want them to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.